Hey, welcome back to Chris's Garage. This is the next episode, and as you can see, my 240SX is sitting underneath the shop carport. I'm sorry about that, carport. I wish I had a shop. But on today's, we're putting AC in onto the motor. I got a compressor. I got the bracket off of a S14KA. Let's see if we can get it on there. And also, I'm going to be starting the battery location from going from the front to into the trunk. And let's see what else I can get done today. I might could stumble across something else to do. So, let's get started. Okay, so for anybody that's going to be doing this to their 240SX, the cadet motor is all C18 except for the bracket for the KA. The KA compressor, it bolts up only 2 spots. So go ahead and bolt that up to your top part. Bad thing is now power steering bracket's not fitting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that, and just hopefully these two, they should work. So let's see if it works. If not, then oh boy, I'm kind of screwed, because finding another bracket like this might not be possible. But it seriously looks like, yeah, just cut this piece off right along there, and then done. Also, another thing I'm doing is my manifold for my turbo's not fitting up right. I cannot bolt it down. I can't do nothing to the 4 bottom bolts. So what I'm going to do is cut one of my 17ths down in half, and then I'm going to cut this lip right here off, so I'll have access in there. So hopefully we can get this manifold actually on. So okay, as y'all can see, it's cut there, then it's cut here. So let's go put that on the car. Okay, now it's going to be on time to do the battery locating. I do not have a battery for this, but who cares, I can do the wiring at least. So what I did is I went to our local auto parts store and had them cut me some 4-gauge wiring at 10 feet, and then I picked up some 4-gauge battery cable lugs, and these are the crimping style. So yeah, now let me go get my wire powers. Okay, goes there. Now, what you're gonna do, you're only gonna come down to just a little bit right there. And since it's big wire like this, I'm just gonna go around it and cut it like that. There we go. Boom. Ugh, sneezing. Okay. Looks like just a little bit more.
Whatever you want to do, I'm just asking.
Okay. There we go. Now, slide that in. Perfect. Let's see if I can do this. I might need to take a hammer to this dude. Yeah, hammer. Okay. So my two cables ends are crimped. And now, take my electrical tape, and I'm just going to go around the ends, just so no copper gets exposed from there. This end is perfectly fine. Go over here, do the other way. Since it fell, got some dirt on it, don't want no dirt on this thing. Alright, let's get this up. There we go. Now I'm still going to need to figure out how to take these wires right here and connect them to the power source. I probably, since I'm just going from the battery to the starter, probably take a little bit thicker wire so all these can match. Go on that one wire, go down to the starter to where this is connecting. Unless I think of some other way. Okay, your starter is down here. Very easy to access. Now, your wire is going right here is your ground. Do not connect to that. See this one right here? I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a copper stud right on top of it on the little solenoid, and that is the closest one to the firewall. That is what you're going to go off on. Okay, let's see if he'll turn over now. Ready? There she goes, she started. Oh, she didn't start, she turned over. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this episode. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If y'all did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. My next video is possibly taking the Tiburon seats and making the brackets to go into the car to actually bolt up to the factory holes. And I also need to get the flocking for the dash, and I'm going to get a little bit more work done to the motor. So that's going to be it for this one, and that's what's going to be on the next episode. Hopefully one of them are going to be. And also let you know, I got some O-rings today, so hopefully I can get my air compressor fixed so I can finish my body kit and start on that. Oh, sorry, I got hiccups now. The quarter panel over there. So, alright, well, y'all be safe, and I'm glad this coronavirus thing is starting to light up. So let's get back to drifting, to racing, just have fun in our cars. See y'all on the next one.